Good afternoon and welcome to SWR News. My name's Dave Beardmore. Oyster numbers are actually on the increase thanks to Dan Griffiths' fantastic conservation work recently. Sorry, it was clams. Dan's clams. Clams are on the increase. Wags of magnet fishing enthusiasts have given their other halves a free pass to go magnet fishing whenever they want. Great news, boys. In other news, the Wu-Tang Clan have actually seen profits boosted for record sales thanks to publicity by the STR. Not the STR, the STW. No, the SWR. We're going to go live to Steve, who's in his bathroom.
This is the Dave Special Wu-Tang magnet, 5 million either side, it's ever so good, and an extra strong grappling hook that we've had specially made for today's episode. It's a spoon, not a bad first start. So we've pulled out a spoon. I've been wondering where that's been, so quite happy about that one. Nice spoon, good find. We found a bike, a real bike. I'm going to test drive this. In the meantime, back to the studio, eh?
A report from Dan now, who's over in Burton-on-Trent. Dan, how are you getting on?
Hi there, Dave. All is well here in Burton-on-Trent. The clams are just amazing. More importantly, clams are on the increase. The breeding programme here is going brilliantly. Much more work to do though, Dave. Really missing the bank. I can't wait to get on it too. I've got volunteers now too, and the volunteers are amazing. I sit back, relax, put my feet up, and they do the work. It's as simple as that. People are volunteering just to look after me and the clams. Brilliant. Got to go now though, mate. The clams are shouting, screaming like little kids. Speak to you soon.
We're going to go live to Steve, who's in his bathroom. Steve, I believe you found some interesting things. Steve, are you there? Can you hear me? We seem to be having some technical difficulties at the moment. We're going to try and get over to Steve as soon as we can. Oh, I think we've got Steve now.
Dave? Yeah, think I can hear you. Hang on. No, I can definitely hear now, Dave. Well, I think I found something really big. I can't quite get my hands on it. Oh, hang on a second. Whoa, Dave, whoa, what's this? Dave, It's an octopus, Dave. Back to the studio, Dave.
Okay, we're going to leave Steve, and we hope he's okay after that incident. In other news, Steve, who's well known for his joke telling, has decided to bring out a music album called Someone's Knocking at the Door. But unfortunately, Sony have said it doesn't really ring their bell. That's all from the news today on SWR. My name's Dave Beardmore. Thank you for watching. See you next time.